We've got big breaking news that's coming in. The Mumbai police has recovered the diary from the prime accused in the TRP racket. Vishal Bhandari, in the diary, his diaries have been picked up. Certain names surfaced of households where meters were fixed. The police have recorded the statements of these people in these households. They've confirmed at this point to us, Republic TV was paying them to watch their channel. Police has also recovered WhatsApp and SMSs between these household owners and Vishal Bhandari, where they can be seen discussing money transactions for watching or switching on Republic on their TVs. The police has also received data to corroborate the spike in Republic views on these meters. So this is the latest on the investigation front. Their diary giving a lot more details about exactly which households were involved in this racket. Munish Pandey is joining us with more details on this. Munish, just establish for us the information that the Mumbai police have picked up now from the diary of this accused.
Yeah, well, Akshita, this is a very crucial development in the TRP scam case. What Mumbai police maintains that when they started interrogating Vishal Bhandari, one of the prime accused in the case, and when they seized his diary, they found names of certain households. And when those households were interrogated by Mumbai police, they revealed that they were asked by Vishal Bhandari to watch Republic TV, a certain channel, Republic TV. And when they were interrogated further, they said that Vishal Bhandari was paying money to watch this Republic channel. So as of now, there are two evidence with the Mumbai police. One is the statement given by the households who were paid money to watch Republic, and also the WhatsApp and text messages between Vishal Bhandari and those households, because there were certain times when these households didn't receive money at right time, and then they texted Vishal Bhandari that they are watching Republic TV but they have not received money so far, and Vishal Bhandari replied that they will be receiving money very soon. So this has become very crucial evidence for the Mumbai police in the TRP scam. Republic TV name has surfaced during the investigation, and what Mumbai police maintains that now after recording the statements of all the households, they will be interrogating that where Vishal Bhandari was receiving money from. As of now, the prime suspicion is on Republic TV. Also, the barometer which was fixed on those households, the BARC along with the other agencies, they have found sudden spike in the the time spent on watching Republic TV from those households. So this will also be crucial, because this TRP scam, according to Mumbai police, was running into thousands of crores, and Mumbai police at this point of time, they are not only focusing on Vishal Bhandari but also on the households who were being paid money. So now the money transaction link is being investigated by the Mumbai police. Certain other households are also being expected to record their statement before the Mumbai crime branch.
Very, very important what you're telling us, Munish, that they've been able to corroborate also the sudden spike in ratings for Republic TV, in the watch time for Republic TV. That is being corroborated with the kind of diary entries that the accused Vishal Bhandari made, and also with the information that some of these household owners have given to the Mumbai police. Munish, thank you for getting us all the latest on this big news break.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.